Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get more friends on the Snapchat. So if you want to get more following or the friends on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, open your Snapchat, click on your profile from the left top. After that you have to click on the settings button. Now scroll up and here you will see different option in the privacy control. So first of all you have to select contact me and select everyone for it, then send me notification everyone and view my story. Simply you have to click on it and make it everyone, go back, and from here you have to click on see me in quick add. So you have to click on it and click on the show me in quick add. Once you will do it, now go back and in your profile scroll up, you will see a create public profile button right here. So simply you have to create your public profile. So in this way you can grow your Snapchat account. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.